Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Amazon Prime Video on your mobile device. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your Play Store or App Store and search Amazon Prime Video. After searching, you'll see Amazon Prime Video. Just click there and click Get. The download might take a while, so please have patience. Now, as you can see, the app is already downloaded. Just click open and allow all the notification in your system. Now you just simply have to enter your email or phone number and your password and continue. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.